Hey everybody, Brian Simpson here for the Cincinnati Astronomical Society to talk about everyone's current favorite subject, planetary alignments. You've been seeing the media stories about the so-called planetary alignment on January 25th, so let's talk about what it really means and what the media is getting wrong about it. Most of these media articles include a graphic which looks like this. This image is wrong in so many ways, but let's just focus on the alignment as it's shown. This type of alignment where planets are arranged in a line directly from the sun outward could happen over the course of billions of years, but it isn't happening now, and it will not ever happen in our lifetime. Due to the variations in how long each planet orbits the sun, to see all the planets in this type of alignment would happen only once in almost 400 billion years, and that's if you allowed for them to be within 3.5 degrees of center. This is currently the alignment of the planets in January 2025. As you can see, they are not in a line at all, at least not how it's being depicted in the media. The planets are, however, aligned in a different way. If looking at the solar system edge-on rather than overhead, we can see what this means. This line represents the Earth's orbit around the Sun. This is referred to as the plane of the ecliptic. All the other planet orbits lie within 2 to 3 degrees of that plane, with the exception of Mercury, which lies 7 degrees off that plane. The close proximity of these planes creates a narrow path within which all the planets follow as they traverse our night sky. They do not appear lined up from the sun outward, but they do appear in this line laterally across the sky. This is why calling it a parade of planets rather than a planetary alignment is more proper. The planets are always within this plane, so in this way they are always aligned. So what is all the current fuss about? The unique feature of what we are seeing right now is that all the planets, with the exception of Mercury, are on one side of our solar system, and that side is the side the nighttime side of Earth currently faces. This creates an opportunity to see all of the planets, with the exception of Mercury, during a short time in the early evenings. Here is a photo of the 2022 Parade of Planets, where all 7 other planets, including the Moon, were on display in the early mornings in June. This isn't particularly rare, as we saw a similar Parade of Planets in 2022, 2023, 2024, and we will again in 2026 and 2027. In fact, there will be another parade of 6 planets again in the mornings of mid-August this year. This is mostly due to the outer planets and their long orbital periods, meaning they will be on the nighttime facing side of Earth several months per year for the next few years. So now you understand what these alignments truly are and why the media isn't exactly getting it right. And if you don't see it tonight, you'll still have a chance over the next couple weeks. But keep in mind, in order to see Uranus and Neptune, you'll need a pair of high-powered binoculars or a telescope. I'm Brian Simpson for the Cincinnati Astronomical Society, wishing you clear skies every night.